Hi, so I want to show you how to set up a party in your virtual office. The first thing you're going to do is log in to 31today.com. Once you're signed in, you're going to click on your virtual office. Then you will go to Parties. You'll click Open Parties. You'll click New Parties. You'll put in the party name. And we'll say Mandy's Spring Fling. And we will say that this is, you'll pick the type of party, so we'll say it's an online party, and we'll pick the date it closes. So let's say that the party is going to start on Monday. So I usually run my parties for 5 days. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll close it on the 26th. We'll give them some time. But we want to close it before the month end. So then we're going to go over here and we're going to put in all of Mandy's information. And then once you have customers in your back office, it's going to become very easy because it'll start to autofill. So you'll see, oh my gosh, here's Mandy. You can click her, and then you'll scroll down, and you'll save and continue. And then on this page, it's going to tell you about the party, and you'll see that it's online. You'll see the end date. The party is shipping to Hostess. You'll see the shipping, the tax rate. It's going to show on your site automatically. And then you'll see the party. I typically put in a party description, and then this is the link. So you'll want to right click on that, copy link address, and then you're going to want to hit save and update. And then you're going to scroll back up, and you're going to click on Hostess. And then with the Hostess information, you're going to scroll down here, and then this is the Hostess portal. So this is going to send her the information about her party, how to send the invites, how to create the invites, keeping on track of her party goers. It's really great. So it's going to send her all this information that she needs. So we're going to click send, and we're going to hit save and update. And then we're going to go back up. And then when we go back out and we look, we now have a new party. So that is how we get a party all set up in our back office. I hope that helps.